In this video, I'll show you how to make poster in Canva. You can make any types of poster using Canva. Canva is a very straightforward software. You can use Canva to design anything quickly. In this video, I'll show you how to make poster in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, whether it is a free account or it is a pro account. And then go to the Canva dashboard. After login, you will go to this tab. Now click here in the template section. Now search poster and click search for poster, and now you will get a lot of Canva pre-made templates. You can either go with any of your selected template, or otherwise you can start from a blank. Let's say I want to go with a pre-made template and want to customize it to make my final result. So see what templates suits to your goal. So let's say you want to make a job hiring post. So that is why you need to design a hiring poster. You can click here to get all of the style, or you can click here to see the categories of the poster. Let's say we want to go with a job hiring poster, and now we need to find what hiring poster suits with our objective. So there are different types of posters available here. Now we need to find our perfect hiring poster. If you don't find any types of poster that suits your objective, no problem. See, this is one of the hiring poster. You can click here and just you will find all of the related hiring posters available here. Let's say we want to customize this poster. Click customize this template. And now just change the elements of this poster and replace with your information. Let's say my organization's name is DG Whisper. So DG Whisper. And we are hiring, join our team, everything is good to go, and replace with your website link, DG Whisper. And let's say we need some other things. We need a copywriter, copywriter, writer. We need a video editor. Replace as per your requirements, editor. So if you want to change the color, you just can change it based on your preference. Let's say I want to change this color and want to make this color. And now I want to make change this color. So click the color and now change it with your preferred color. So let's say this color is good to go with me. And I want to change also this color. And if you want to change this color as well, just select the element and change the color. So it is that simple. And now let's say we want to change this picture. You can either replace the image with your upload library or upload a new image. Let's say click here and upload a new image, and once image is uploaded, drag it and replace it. Or if you want to change with Canvas image library, then click element and find your image. Office, just search for your keyword and click photo section, and you will find different types of image based on your search keyword. Let's say I want to replace with this. You can now adjust image from here. So once everything is done, you can just download it by clicking share button and click download, and here you need to select PNG to download your picture and just click the download button. It will be downloaded. So see, my picture has been downloaded. So I made this design based on a pre-made template, just customized it. Let's say we want to create another design. Just click here, and this is a completely blank space. There is no design here. So click here and click the design, and now search what type of industry design you need to create. Let's say I need to create a restaurant related poster. So click here, and you will get all of the restaurant related available pictures or templates or posters here. You can customize menu, you can customize restaurant promotional poster, you can customize anything if you want. And if you don't want to make your poster from any of the template, you can just create a poster by your own. How we can do this? Just click the element and here search shape. I want to try to make a completely fresh or new design from here. So here you will find different types of shapes here. Let's say I want to make my design from this shape. Click here and it will come here. And now adjust the color if you want a custom color. And now add your text. And change the font. So I want to change this font. I want to replace it with this font. I think it looks good. Now add more information about your poster. So let's say we want to add this information. Just copy this information and paste it to here. I want to place this information in this position, and I want to add an image here. So click search here to get any types of frame, circle frame. Here there are different types of available circle frame. I want to use this frame. I want to get a circle outline. So let's say I want to use this. Replace this, and I want to use this. And now place your image here. Find related image from Canva library and replace with the image. Change the color of the border. Let's say I want to add this border, and I want to place this text as well. Here just you can place all of the elements you need in your design. So it is pretty straightforward. Once everything is done, you can just click here to download your poster. So see, this poster has been designed in front of you. So this way you can make any poster using Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below.